Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will write code for secure web browser in Python. First, you need to understand that this will require a graphical user interface, GUI, to interact with the user and a way to display web pages. We will use the PyQt5 library to create the interface, and Qt Web Engine widgets will help render web pages. In addition, we will focus on the security aspect. We will implement basic features like blocking certain types of scripts, preventing phishing, and controlling cookies. The key libraries you need: PyQt5, a toolkit for creating desktop applications. PyQt Web Engine, a library for embedding web content in applications using the Chrome engine. QWeb Engine View, a widget that allows displaying web content inside the application window. Importing the necessary modules from PyQt5 and Qt Web Engine. Creating a class for the main window. Initialize the main UI window. Setting up the central widget and layout. Address bar, where the user types URLs. Creating the web view that displays the web page. Setting up the profile for security, limiting access to certain scripts. Create and set the request interceptor. Load a default page. Method to load a URL from the address bar. Request interceptor class to handle security. Block certain content types, for instance, scripts, from specific domains. Example: block any requests to example.com. Running the application. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASIM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.